Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 11th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So we have CPI inflation data coming out today. Definitely a very big news event. Keep in mind that next week is also a very big week for the dollar pairs because we have rate news next week. So likely whatever happens over the next few trading days is going to be setting itself up for the bigger news event next week. I have this labeled as possibly a complete ABC, but if it goes beyond this 78%, that's definitely going to invalidate that. I definitely do have an alternative count too, which is that this is one, two, three ways up for like a W. This is one, two, three ways down for an X, and we are now in like a one, two, three-way pattern, which will take out these highs for a wave Y. Then we end up making a much bigger move to the downside. This WXY analysis may actually be the more likely analysis. Either way, we are sitting at the 78%. It seems like today's news potentially could start a move to the downside. If this really is the end of a crescent, then this move to the downside could be a brand new downtrend like a wave 3. If this is really a WXY, then this move to the downside potentially would be a crescent, which would likely last several days, likely setting itself up for a bigger move to the upside next week. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.